Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a very important lesson, trigonometry, triangle and geometry. This is a geometry of triangle. So it's actually geometry of right angle triangle. So look at this right angle triangle. We all already learned this word hypotenuse, which is the side opposite to the 90 degrees. Hypotenuse always opposite 90. That we already learned in your 7th standard and 8th standard. Now, there are two acute angles, angle A and angle C. Because this right angle, there are two acute angles, angle A and angle C. So one of them, let me assume that is theta. If this is the angle under consideration, the side which is just opposite to theta is called opposite side. It's also called perpendicular. So opposite side or perpendicular. So we have name for two sides. Now one more side which is close to theta, other than the hypotenuse, is called adjacent side. So the side which is opposite to 90 is called hypotenuse. There are two acute angles. One of the acute angle we take it as the theta. So the side which is opposite to theta is called opposite side, which is also called perpendicular. The side which is close to theta, other than the hypotenuse, is called adjacent side. Let's see the second diagram. So this is the diagram like this. 90. So the side which is opposite to 90 is called hypotenuse. There are two acute angles, angle B and C. If I consider angle B, the side which is opposite to theta is this AC. So AC is called opposite side, and the third side which is close to theta is called adjacent side. So opposite to 90 is hypotenuse, opposite over theta is called opposite side, and the side which is close to theta is called adjacent side. Let's take this triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. 90 is here. The side which is opposite to 90 is called hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to the given angle theta is called opposite side. The third side which is close to theta is called adjacent side. Look at this diagram. This is a right angle triangle. Angle B is 90. So side opposite 90 called hypotenuse. There are two acute angles A and C. I'm taking angle A as theta. So side which is opposite to theta is called opposite side, and side which is close to theta is called adjacent side. I suppose all of you know how to identify hypotenuse, opposite side and adjacent. Hypotenuse opposite 90. Opposite side, or called perpendicular, is opposite to the given angle. The side which is close to theta is called adjacent side, or it's also called base. Okay, now we learn the 6 trigonometry ratios. Now between the sides of the triangle, how many ratios are possible? We are able to get 6 ratios. These are the sides. This is a triangle. Between the sides, we get 6 different ratios are possible. One ratio is AB by AC. Another ratio possible is BC by AC. Third ratio possible is AB by BC. Now we have the reciprocals of all these ratios, which is AC by AB. That is a different ratio. Then we have the reciprocal of this ratio, AC by BC. We have one more ratio, 6 ratio possible, which is the reciprocal of this one, BC by AB. So 6 ratios are possible between the sides of a triangle, and each of these 6 ratios will have a name. So we are going to learn the names of all these 6 ratios, all the 6. Now, as we have learned in the last class, if this is theta, this is the opposite side, or called perpendicular. This 90, the side which is opposite 90 called hypotenuse. The side which is close to theta, other than the hypotenuse, is called adjacent side or base. Now we have the first ratio, sine of theta. Sine of theta is sine theta. Don't pronounce as sin theta, it is sine theta. Definition of sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side. So sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? AB. Which is the hypotenuse? AC. So AB by AC is sine theta. So sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite here is AB, hypotenuse AC. So we have the name for this one. First one, AB by AC, is sine theta. So this is sine theta. So we got the name for the first ratio. Second ratio is cosine of theta. Short form is cos theta. Definition of this cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Which is the adjacent side? BC. Which is the hypotenuse? AC. So it is cos theta is BC by AC. So cosine of theta, remember, is adjacent side by hypotenuse. In this case, adjacent side BC, hypotenuse AC. So we get the name for the second ratio, BC by AC, which is cos theta. So two ratios name, we got it. Now the third definition of this one is tangent of theta. Tangent of theta, short form is tan theta. Tangent of short form is tan theta. Your definition is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Which is the opposite side here? AB. Which is the adjacent side? BC. So it will be AB by BC. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent. In this case, opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. So AB by BC. So AB by BC is tan theta. AB by BC. So we got names of three ratios. The other three are the reciprocals of this ratio. Okay, so cosecant of theta, short form is cosec theta, is the reciprocal of sin theta. Cosecant theta, short form is cosec theta, is the reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So this will be hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. So it is AB by AC, reciprocal is AC by AB. So cosec, remember this is very important what is written in the cloud. Cosec theta, the reciprocal of sin theta, is hypotenuse by opposite, which is AC by AB. So we got the name for this one. AC by A is cosec theta. Now the fifth ratio is secant of theta. Secant of theta, short form is sec theta, which is the reciprocal of cos theta. Which is the reciprocal of cos theta. So it will be the reciprocal of this, that is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Which is the hypotenuse? AC. Adjacent side is A. So be AC by BC. So sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, which is hypotenuse by adjacent, which is AC by BC. So we have the name for this one. It is AC by BC is. The last ratio is cot tangent, which is short form is cot theta, which is the reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So this will be adjacent by opposite. Adjacent side by opposite. Which is the adjacent side? BC. Which is the opposite side? AB. So BC by AB. So remember, cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So it will be adjacent by opposite. Which is BC by AB. So we have the name for the last ratio. It is cot theta. So we have names all the six ratios. Once more, if I go it, sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Secant of theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. And cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, now if we divide sin theta by cos theta, what do we get? Sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. You can see that both have the same denominator hypotenuse, so that can cancel. So opposite by adjacent can. But what is opposite by adjacent? It's our tan theta. Opposite by adjacent is tan theta. So we have a very, very important result. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So definitely cot being the reciprocal of tan, so cot theta will be equal to cos theta by sin theta. So you have to remember this also. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, while cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, because cot is the reciprocal of tan. Okay, this if you can remember this word, you can easily remember all the six ratios. So SOHCAHTOA is the word. SOH. What is SOH? Means sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So what is written in the blues? So SOH. S is sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. CAH. So cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. TOA. TOA. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Opposite. So if you can remember this word, if it's difficult for you to memorize it, if you remember this word, we can get all the six ratios. So SOH means sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. CAH means cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. And TOA, tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Okay, now let's do a sum. We need to find all the six trigonometric ratios from this diagram. All the six ratios. Okay, two sides are given, 17 and 15. 17 is the hypotenuse, and this is theta, so the side which is opposite theta is called opposite side. Side which is close to theta is called adjacent side. Adjacent side is 15 and opposite side is 17. So let's you find out the third side. Which theorem has to be applied? Of course, Pythagoras theorem is applied. So when you use hypotenuse square, that is 17 squared is equal to base square plus height. Squared base is 15, so 15 square plus AB square. 17 square 289, 15 square 225 plus AB square. So AB square root of 289 minus 225 root of 64, which is 8. So with this one, this side, opposite side we got. So two sides will be given. Third side you have to find out using Pythagoras. Now let's get the 6 ratios. Now sin theta I defined as opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is AB, hypotenuse AC, so it will be 8 by 70. 8 by 70. Opposite is AP, hypotenuse 17, so 8 by. Now let's see the second ratio. Cosine of theta, which is called cos theta, which is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side BC, which is 15 by 70. 15 by 70. Now tangent of theta, short form is tan theta, which is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 8. Adjacent is 50. So 8 by 50. Okay, now cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is 8 by 17. So this is going to be 17 by 8. We can make into mixed fraction because sin theta is 8 by 17. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, which is reciprocal 8 by 17, which is 17 by 8. Now second of theta is the reciprocal cos theta. Cos theta is 15 by 17. So this will be 17 by 15. Now cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta is 8 by 15. So this will be 15 by 8. So we can make the mixed fraction there. So when two sides are given, find out the third side and decide which is the opposite side, which is the hypotenuse, which is the adjacent side, and you can get the 6 ratios using the formula. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 8, hypotenuse 17, so 8 by 17. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 15, hypotenuse 17, so 15 by 17. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 8, adjacent is 15, so 8 by 15. Cosec theta the reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is 8 by 17, so 17 by 8. Second of theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta is 15 by 17, reciprocal of that 17 by 50. And last cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta is 8 by 15, so 15 by 8. This can be made into mixed fraction. That's all for today.